Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to adjust Facebook display settings. Yes, this week we're changing over to Facebook for one of these videos. Last week we were going over how to create collage in Google Photos, and we've done a couple weeks of Google Photo features and stuff you can mess with. You can check that out. I'll have a link down below for all the Google how-tos I'm doing. Also, I'll have a link for how to create collage in Google Photos. That's last week's video, so you can check it out. But before we get going on this, hit the like on this video. Also hit the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss out any new videos we come out with every week. It's every Thursday, so keep checking back for something new to learn. All right, let's get into our Facebook account. Now I'm going to do this on Facebook.com. I'm not doing it on the Facebook app, so FYI. So I'll be using my Windows 10 laptop using Google browser, and we're going to go to Facebook.com. So that's where we want to go. So when you go to Facebook, right up here, and you're going to log into your Facebook account, and then we want to go over to the top right and click on your little account profile image. You click on that, and then you're going to look down this list menu. It pops up. You're going to look for display and accessibility. We click on that. So here's your display and accessibility area. So the first thing, obviously, dark mode or light mode. That is like the most common thing for a lot of websites and a lot of app stuff. So I like to have it on. I have it on automatic. I do like dark mode. So let's say change it to dark mode. There, it's in dark mode. Yay, that's cool. But we're going to change it back for this video so you can actually see a little clearer. I do like the dark one modes on this. So this is adjust appearance. So I'm going to click back on that. And then the automatic will automatically adjust the display based on your device's system setting. And the system default seems to be always light mode. Go figure. And we're going to go down here. You also have the option of compact mode. Make your font size smaller so more content can fit on the screen. And I've done that. See, I did that here. So if you undo this, you can tell. See, look at the font. It just adjusts. So I like to have it on because I like to fit all the words in as much as I can on the screen so you don't have to scroll so much. And then the other options they give you in this area is the keyboard settings. So watch this. Click on the keyboard, which we will do. Okay, and it brings this up. It says see all keyboard shortcuts. We will look at that in a minute. Use single character keyboard shortcuts. I don't do that, so I don't know how that would work. So you can mess with that if you want, but I'm not going to turn that on. But let's go to this option right here, see all keyboard shortcuts. If you click on that, it's going to give you everything. This is all your keyboard shortcuts. If you ever want to know Facebook keyboard shortcuts, they're right here. You can go check them out and see how they work. Obviously, they give you some options. Yeah, the single character shortcuts, which is what that thing was talking about, if you wanted to do that, but I'm not going to do that. So it's really cool to look at. So go check that out. If you want to mess with it, go for it. I'm not that advanced, so I don't do that. So you're going to get out of here. Then you go back to your display settings. And we'll go back down here. And then when you're display setting, the other one I want to show you is this accessibility settings. This is good. So you're going to click on this. And it's going to bring up this. These options enhance accessibility on Facebook. So you have the normal display one, which is the light and dark, which is what it's going to offer. Also here, they give you notification of timing. That's right, notifications. Adjust the time it takes for system messages to automatically dismiss. I have mine set at 10 seconds. You know how they pop up? You're like, oh no, they're there. It will dismiss after 10 seconds on mine. You can do up to 50 seconds. I don't know why you want them there that long, but it's your choice. And choose the one you want and then click save. So very simple on that one. We'll go back here again. Oh, not there. Sometimes I click the wrong button. There we go. Here. So let's look at now the keyboard one right here. You're going to click on that and show previews of links. Now, I don't know if you ever knew that. Without opening a page to a person's event or whatever, if you hover over the link, it will show a little tiny window of an image of that, where it's going, the page of where it's showing it. So you can show preview. I don't have that set up on mine, so I don't want to have it set up on mine, but you can mess with that too if you like. Go in there and then click save when you're done. Now, if you go back one more, we'll check one more thing. We have video and motion. So this is kind of fun. You have automatically play videos and GIFs on Facebook. So this is, I don't have it set up, but if you click that on, they automatically start playing. That gets annoying to me, but it might not to you. You also have always show captions. If turned on, captions will always be displayed for any videos that have them. So you can turn that on if you want it. I think captions are great, but I don't have it on. I'm not going to turn it on. I don't want to. Actually, here, I'll turn it on. See? And then it tells us it's saved down in the corner in the left. But I'm not going to have it on. It's unsaved now. Or it's saved. Captions display. Here's another one for you. So if you want to go to captions, this helps you mess with caption display backgrounds, color, black, blah, blah, blah. So this is just stuff you can mess with. But the main thing we were looking at, go back to display. You're going to mess with is probably the dark mode, light mode is kind of the thing you're going to probably mess with the most, and the font size. If you like the keyboard setting stuff, you can mess with that too. But that's it. That's how easy it is to adjust Facebook display settings. So hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are. And also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.